Today's vlog is brought to you by Absolute Charm Vacation Rentals.
Do we have a king of the castle? No, that's Balfour. That's the queen of the manor. Are you the queen sitting on top? Are you ready to go for a run, bud? You ready to go?
All right.
You ready to go? Bounding, 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 bounding.
That wasn't even a very big run.
That wasn't very big. I know. I was hoping the ceiling was done, but
I got it. That's keep messing with it.
got a little bit more.
Good on that end, I think. It's pretty hard to use this right. I went back over the top first.
Got some plywood going in here.
You stand back and look at it, you're like, damn, I need to get it right there.
I'm not sure that is work attire.
Well, but
I was
you were in there talking to Eddie, and I was out here looking at this window, and there was paint that needed to be scraped and a scraper, and so I just picked it up and started scraping. I realized that I had to put on big girl clothes today and go do big girl things, but
we had a meeting today, so we're a little bit dressed up, but definitely not got our usual work clothes on.
No, and you're correct. I should not be scraping tar in this cream colored outfit, and yet here I am, scraping tar in the cream colored outfit. So.
Putting plywall to shore this wall up, and it's starting to look like a wall. It's like separating spaces in here. It's crazy. Got some drywall over there, got some plywood over here. So I just met with the tree man about this nasty customer right here. Look at that. Just aching to fall on my new fence. Just wanting to drop. So he's gonna come over tomorrow and take that out. We've got one here that has been dangling for quite some time now. Wouldn't hurt anything if it dropped. We just haul it off. But I think he's gonna take that one back all the way to there. The right limb, it's hard to tell on the phone, but and then take off another little piece over here, right there. Take some weight off that limb because it is hollow right there. So this tree is not super healthy, but it is kind of pretty. We love our trees, if you know us at all. We love our trees, so we try to keep them as much as possible. I mean, these look real nice down here. So we're gonna try to keep them and trim it as needed. What do you think, Stanley? Okay.
You what?
Yeah.
It was obviously in a room that burned because it was tar on the top. So it's got to be.
Oh, we need to go back. I bet we could find out what door was there. Look at old video.
Well, or if you removed it, there was a header under there that you took out. That was probably 4 inches.
Bad. I know how to do a lot of this stuff.
Are you confident?
Eddie, come over here and tell me I did a good job.
You did a great job, man.
Pat me on the back. Say I was a good boy. Eddie said I did good. Yeah. Sand it, caulk it. It'll look good.
It'll look good.
It'll look good. What do we call this pose?
This is called, I was doing something else and saw this.
Leaning against the door pose. I like it.
Thanks.
So what does it feel like scraping a window on the sun?
It feels like I'm sitting on the surface of the sun right now.
That's what I said, on the sun.
It's not pleasant. And I don't like it. I don't like it.
You like it?
You know that this is not the time.
I'm holding a sharp weapon.
You've been married to me for 29 years.
And you're still antagonizing me.
How much do I enjoy the heat? When is I do not antagonize you when it is cold. You should not antagonize me when it is hot. You should know. I mean, we've been married long enough.
Tell them a funny thing that we do. At least I think it's funny. What? You say, how much do I enjoy? And I will say, 7.
7. I enjoy this -1,000.
Oh, okay. We just throw out random numbers
Yeah,
like
this
it's.
is not even. I can't even joke about this. I'm so miserable. I can't even be silly.
Well, this is the wrong time of day because that sun's hitting you.
I know. What do you do though? That's
You
the
go back down to the cottage. Let's go.
like-
I am dripping sweat standing here.
Oh, okay. All right. Bye.
All right. Thanks for watching, people.
Okay, I love you. Bye.
Okay, bye.
Are you headed to Natchez for one of our many year-round festivals? Balloon races, music events, Christmas tree lighting, parades, historic home tours, historic cemetery tours. Natchez, Mississippi has so much to offer year-round, but we know when you get here, you're going to be looking for an absolute charming place to stay. And that's where we think at Absolute Charm Vacation Rentals, we have just the place for you. Anything from a beautiful, charming southern front porch overlooking the majestic Mississippi River, perfect for sunsets, sunrises, to an intimate, cozy cottage with a private hot tub, pet-friendly places, family-friendly places, and girlfriend, get-out-of-town, getaway places. We have it all at Absolute Charm Vacation Rentals. So we invite you to go to our site, absolutecharm.com/Natchez, and we look forward to seeing you in Natchez, Mississippi real soon.
Lane, look.
I know. You're an official carpenter. You're like a real carpenter.
I hit the wrong nail.
Ouch.
Ouchie.
And that's going to drive you crazy for months now.
Yeah, and my fingernail's dirty too,
Yeah.
so don't look at that part, but that hurt. What are you doing, Stanny? What you doing, Stanny? Uh-oh, dog crash. Somebody needs to mow this yard. Do I say that every time we come out here? Hey, boy. What's it like? What's it like being Ted? Life of Ted. Say, man, it's hot outside. I'm just gonna chill. Just gonna chill. Yeah, there we go, buddy. That's it.
Sometimes great wisdom comes from social media.
Yes, let's see. I love it.
It's the truth, and don't forget it.
Don't forget it.
Yes.
Okay, bye.
You could also be an adorable kitten.
Hey, that will help.
That will absolutely
That will
help.
help. Okay,
That
okay,
will
bye.
absolutely help.
This is
Okay,
like
bye.
all dogs and kittens. Barely anywhere because it's 100
It's too
degrees
hot.
today. And we had a meeting, so.
Yes.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
They don't care.
No.
Yes, I said, hello, Mr. Pickle. Hello. Open, please.
Would you like to?
I would like to make a wish, please. I would love some delicious pickles.
I would wish for some pickles on my hamburger.
Please. It's not working out for me.
Try it again. Come on, you can do it.
On camera. I can't get it.
Okay. Now I'm gonna try. Ready? Hang on.
All
Oh wait.
right.
Oh no. All right. That's my turn.
Okay, let's see what you got there.
My hands are wet.
I know.
Oh, it's cold.
Well,
That's the
it
problem.
was in the refrigerator.
It's you can't get a good grip on it. That's your problem.
I know. It's not a matter of strength. Come on.
Obviously, I think it is.
You gonna open this or not?
Well, I'm trying. I can't even get a hold on it because it's
Slippery.
slippery.
Ooh,
All right.
it looked like you were getting it
I
there.
know. Hang on. It's so wet.
I know.
Ted's gonna help.
Come on, Ted.
No pickles for you.
Oh,
Right.
Okay.
All right. Hang on. We got to use some physics.
perform some surgery. Whoa!
I would just like to announce that I did that.
You are
I
the
did
strongest.
That was not camera tricks.
No.
I did that.
Ted assisted though, really.
I did
Meow.
that.
Ted, did you assist?
The men
or
are
not?
always trying to take credit. I did it.